Okay. Uh, so good morning, students. My name is Sridhar, St. Peter's Engineering College. Now today we are going to discuss with the continue class ERP Unit 4 third part JD Edwards. JD Edwards has also over, and next one Quad Quad Inc. It is also one software company. So it is also one software. Quad Inc. is a software company that provides enterprise resource planning (ERP) software and related enterprise software to manufacturing companies. The company has customers in over the world, 100 countries around the world, 100 countries around the world. Quad Inc. applications quad applications companies quad application company software are using where it is using manufacturing companies are using quad inc software. The company has customers in over 1,100 countries around the world, 100 countries around the world. Quad was founded in 1979. Quad was QAD was means Quad software application was founded in 1979 by Pamela Lapkar. Pamela Lapkar. Quad was founded in 1979 by Pamela Lapkar, who serves as a president. Quad initially developed proprietary software application. It is proprietary software application for manufacturing companies. It is a proprietary software application for manufacturing companies in Southern California. So these quad applications are founded 1979. In 1984, the quad announced MFG public PRO manufacturing so company and PRO which was built using Progress Software Corporation. Progress Software Corporations. When it is in 1984, PAD announced MFG or oblique PRO, which was built using Progress Software Corporations in fourth generation language, and relational database. MFG and PRO was one of the first software application built in manufacture of following the API/CS principles. Principles. Then API/PS principles. So MFG PRO was also one of the first application to support the closed loop manufacturing resource planning. Closed loop manufacturing resource planning. That is what we call it as MRP2. MRP2. So in this MRP2, the first application support to the closed loop manufacturing resource planning. So that is what MRP2, as well as the operation is open system. The quad application is the open system. So quad software support learn manufacturing principles and interprets with the other system via open standards and quad stack beginning trading and marketing and manufacturing and public offering IPO initial public offering. And so these places are we are using quad applications. But in IPO session, in initial public offering IPO on August 6, 1997. So once again I explain you, Quad application was founded in 1979 by Pamela Lupper. These Quad applications replaced in 1984. Quad announced by some applications are announced in 1984. So that is what MFG and PRO. These Quad applications are entire using only manufacturing sector. So these manufacturing sector after 1984 is manufacturing sector in 1984 we are using manufacturing sector. Then after 1984 we are using some other application. Then initial public offering we are using in August. Initial public offer we are using in August 6, 1997. Before that, what is IPO? Let me know that what is IPO. You don't know that IPO, some other they are calling IPO. Initial initial public offering. Initial public offering. What is the meaning of initial public offering? So this word we are using. This word we are using. The initial public offering (IPO) refers to the process of offering shares of a private corporation. Shares of a private corporation. So these issuing the shares of a private corporation to the public in a in a governance. So it is called it as a initial public offering. So that's why. So why the shares? Why we are talking about initial and public offering and IPO? So what is the relation in between quad applications and remaining things? So what is the benefits from IPO? We are using IPO. So initial public offering, the process of offering shares a private corporation to the public corporation. So when we are distributing, when we are sharing, when we are purchasing, or when we are selling our shares in the market, on that time the quad applications are through quad application we are getting we are closing our shares and purchasing our shares and selling our shares. So that's why we are introducing in 1997 initial public offering in August 6. The next one in 2003, the product called visualization, since rebranded to supplier portal, was first hosted in multi-talent configuration for QAD customers. Multi-talent configuration when it is in 2003. So one more application replaced in this quad customers to the customers, and those customers suppliers establishing quad as a player, quad as a player in providing software as a service, SaaS, software as a service, we call it as a SaaS application. It is introduced in 2003. In 2003, that is SaaS means software as a service, software for manufacturer. Quad supplier portal continues to allow the customers and their authorized supplier to share information about inventory, scheduling purchase orders and shipments and kanbans and more. So these are the applications are we are using under Quad in 2006. In 2003, the cloud apps. One more thing, the MFG and PRO to Quad Enterprises application. Quad began their cloud apps in 2003. In 2011, officially launched Quad on demand, and which was later named Quad Cloud ERP in 2011. In 2015, the Quad Cloud ERP software was enhanced the further when the channel Iceland's user experience UX initiative was launched in phases. So in 2015, Quad Cloud ERP software. This is one more application in 2015 under Quad. In 2019, 2017, Icelands of the some information in 2015. The Channel Island of the coast of Santa Barbara, California in 2007, where it is implemented. So this is beginning stage or implemented stage when it is in 2017. Now 2019, the Quad Cloud ERP in 2019. So again, the new channel are introduced in UX in Quad Cloud ERP in 2019. So how many versions approximately in Quad applications? 5 or 6 applications are modified in between from 1979 to 2019. So many applications are modified. The Quad sells its product and services complaints in the main manufacturing industries. This is using only main manufacturing industries. Next, SSA Global Technologies. So these SSA Global Technologies, the NASDAQ symbol SSA Global, it is as a name, was company developing enterprise resource planning. Company developing enterprise resource planning software. Okay, so the software on May 15, 2006, SSA Global announced that it would be acquired by Infor Global Solution. The acquisition was completed in July 28, 2006. July 28, 2006. It is also already already manufacturing SSA Global Technologies. SSA Global Technologies are company developing enterprise resource planning software on May 15 in 2006. So when it is deployed, when it is introduced May 15, 2006. This SSA Global announced that it would be acquired by Infor Global Solutions. Infor Global Solution name, Infor Global Solutions. Okay, this acquisition was completed in July 28, 2006. So July 28, acquisition is completed only July 28, 2006. The products under SSA Technologies. The product under SSA Technology. These are the products, BAN, BPCS. These are the applications under SSA Global Technologies. These are the applications under SSA Global Technologies. Next one, BAN, BPCS, ERP-LN, ERP-LX. Okay, corporate performance management and customer relationship management, financial management, human capital management, product lifecycle management, um, supply chain management, supplier relationship management, and warehouse management system. These areas, these products are introduced in the market. SSA Global Technologies. BAN, once again, EPCS, ERP-LN, ERP-LX applications of products, financial management, customer performance management, customer relationship management, human capital management, product life cycle management, okay, supply chain management, supply relationship management, and warehouse management system. So next one is Lawson ERP software. So Lawson ERP software. This Lawson ERP software, when the companies are considering an enterprise resource planning ERP system, this is one of the application. This is one of the software. Lawson software. So where it is used, the most probably this application are using. Uh, these application are using manufacturing industries and management sector. So this application, when this application list usually includes SAP and Oracle. This application including this application are including SAP and Oracle. However, to many people are surprised, Lawson software offers an ERP system that has been ranked as the number one ERP software product for cost per user by the Abaddon Group. Abaddon Group. Which group? Abaddon Group. This is apart from the Lawson software, Oracle, and SAP. So this is as per using the Abaddon Group. This group considered as a Abaddon Group. The company had started in the 1970 by Richard Lawson. This Lawson ERP software launched in the 1970s by Richard Lawson. By Richard Lawson. This one by Richard Lawson. Okay. In in Monopolis and Monastra, who developed a number of ready-to-use business management solutions. So in this Lawson software, we are using a business management solution for the IBM International Business Management mainframe. By the 1980s, Lawson Software was offering a number of general ledger and human resource packages. So general ledger is completely related to accounting system, uh, human resources packages, and by the end of the decade, the company had expanded into the growing IBM S400 market. In the early 1980s, Lawson had branched into the client server market. Client server market begin offering ERP solution that were developed for vertical market and including healthcare, retail, financial areas. So Lawson software where it is used, these key areas are using client server market and ERP solutions and vertical markets. The vertical market including healthcare and retail and financial services and public sector. These key areas are we are using Lawson software. Okay. The Lawson software became a public company in 2001. When it is published as a public company in 2001, and I begin to acquire a number of smaller software companies in order to increase the number of offering customers. So these software, meanwhile, one side in 2001, using the number of shares or using the number of small software companies and issuing the shares and issuing the softwares into the society when it is in 2001. Meanwhile, using these areas, retail and financial services and public sector, as well as the acquiring companies, Lawson software extended supply chain management, in 2006. Supply chain management in 2006. The Lawson merged with the Swedish ERP and e-solution provided Interia. So this is the Lawson software in Unit 4. Thank you very much.